everybody, so today I'm going to talk about how to travel on a budget in 2019. Before I begin, I just want to clarify that it's very important that you save your money. The more you save, the more likely you will be able to afford a vacation. So first you have to look at your flights. What I usually do is check Google Flights first to see the prices. Now you have to be careful with Google Flights because they're most likely going to be inaccurate, so you always have to check the booking website. I just use Google Flights as a reference, so make sure you keep that in mind. Also, Expedia is a great way to look for flights as well, especially hotels. Once you sign up, you get a discount on some of the hotels, so make sure you sign up for Expedia. If you are a very cheap traveler, you can use services like Airbnb and Hostelworld. The third most important thing to look out for in your budget is food. Sometimes if you go overboard with food, if you get snacks during the day or water, that really adds up. So make sure you download this app called Groupon. They have all kinds of deals, whichever place you decide to go to, whether it's domestic or international. So make sure you use this app. You will most likely find a lot of great deals. Also, if you're traveling off season, make sure you select a country that is off season because there'll also be great deals during that time. Good flights, good flight deals, good hotel deals. There will be a lot of discounts during that time. Also, you can book tours if you're interested in having a private guide or a tour guide you around the city or whatever place you decide to tour in. So make sure you look at apps such as TravelZoo, TripAdvisor, those kind of apps. That concludes this video. If you have any questions or concerns or even more suggestions, please comment below and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.